In this video, I will show you how to install the WordPress application in Hostinger. So let's get started. Once we log into the Hostinger hosting account, this is how the dashboard will look. In this video, I will be installing WordPress on this domain, vibeskill.io. Next, we need to click the Manage Site button under the Manage Your Website section. On the left side of this page, click the Website tab, and again, click the Auto Installer tab on this page. Next, on the right side of the screen, enter the WordPress section. In this pop-up window, we need to enter all the WordPress site information, like the login email account, the username, and the login password. Here we need to add the site's name and continue to the next step. Here, just choose the latest version of the WordPress application and select the language preference. And finally, choose the application updates if needed and click the Install button. And that's it. We're done installing a new WordPress application in Hostinger. And with this, we come to the end of this video. Like, share, and comment on the video, and please subscribe to the channel for updates.